So let's make first one slip knot. Just turn your yarn here and make one slip knot. Tighten up. Okay, I have here slip knot, and now make chains. Make 27 chain first. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I have here total 27 chain now, and I will add 3 chain for my first row. So 3 chain will be count as one double crochet. 27 plus 3 chain. 1 2 3. So this 3 chain will count as one double crochet. Now yarn over, and I will skip 4 chain here. So skip 1 2 3 and 4. So skip 4 chain. 1 2 3 4. On the 5th chain, yarn over, make double crochet on the 5th. This is 5th chain. Make here like this, and then 2 chain. 1 2. Same space over here, I have here my double crochet. I will make again double crochet on the same stitch, same chain. Yarn over, insert your hook in this and make double crochet here. If you see, now we have something like this. So here in the starting I skip 4 chain, and then on the 5th chain I make 2 time double crochet, 1 double crochet first, then 2 chain, and then 1 again same space double crochet. That's it. Now yarn over and skip 3 chain here. After just yarn over and then skip 3 chain, on the 4th chain make double crochet. So 1 2 3, skip 3. On the 4th, insert your hook. On the 4th chain, make double crochet like this, and then 2 chain. 1 2, yarn over, same space. Here we make double crochet. I will make again double crochet on the same stitch like this, something like this V. You can see we are getting V shape, and just keep doing this. Finish this row. After same I will do, skip 3 chain. 1 2 3. On the 4th, yarn over. On the 4th chain, make double crochet, then 2 chain. 1 2. Now same space over here, make double crochet like this, then yarn over, skip 3 chain. 1 2 3. On the 4th, then 2 chain. 1 2, same space, double crochet, then yarn over, skip 3. 1 2 3. On the 4th, then 2 chain. 1 2, same space, same stitch, double crochet, then skip 3 chain. 1 2 3. On the 4th, 2 chain. 1 2, then 1 2 3, skip on the 4th chain, then 2 chain. 1 2, same space. Okay, now you should have 1 chain last left. Here I will just, after making double crochet here, on the last chain make double crochet to make straight in the end, to make straight this will be. And here we have something like this first row, and over here double crochet as well to make straight. So first row complete. Now second row, turn your work and make 3 chains. When you turn your work, 3 chain. 1 2 3, and then we have this space. The first space we have this one, so skip this one. We don't need to do anything in this. I will count as 3 chain double crochet. So this double crochet will be this 3 chain 1 double crochet. Now yarn over, insert your hook in this first V. See, we have this something, so insert your hook inside this, and now pull the yarn and just make little bit loose or maybe little bit free your hand, and then yarn over again, and then insert your hook, pull the yarn like this, just leave it. Now again yarn over, pull the yarn. So you can do this 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, depending you how you want to make. So again yarn over like this, again yarn over, pull the yarn like this. Now again you yarn over, pull through. So let's make 5 or 6 times. Okay, if you see, now we have this, and after this just, so this is one, if you see, one puff, kind of puff stitch we are getting. Now this is done, and after this make 2 chain, 1 2, and then not yarn over, sorry, in the next space over here, if you see this space, insert your hook in the next space and just make 1 single crochet like this. So we have now single crochet and then 2 chain, 1 2, and yarn over. Now in the next, this space, next triangle, insert your hook. We will make now puff stitch again. So 1, again 2, 3, again 4, 5, 6. So 6 time, and then pull all through like this, and then here second puff is ready. Now 2 chain, 1 2, and then in next triangle over here, in the next triangle make 1 single crochet like this. So we are getting something this, and then 2 chain, 1 2, and then yarn over again on the next space over here. We'll make puff stitch again, make little bit loose, then 1 time it's done. So 2 3 4 5, you can make 5 6 4 time as well. So I'm making 6 time, done. And now all pull through all together like done, just close. That's it, we close this. Now make 2 chain, 1 2, and insert your hook in the next, this space over here, no sorry, 2 chain, and then here in the next space make 1 single crochet like this, and then 2 chain, 1 2. Now we'll make next puff stitch on the next triangle. 2 3 4 5 6, and pull all together and close up, close it, and then 2 chain, 1 2, next space over here make single crochet like this, and then 2 chain, 1 2, next puff stitch over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yarn over, pull through all like this, close it, and then 2 chain, 1 2, next space over here make single crochet, then 2 chain, 1 2, next space 1 2 3 4 5 6, pull through all, close it. That's it. Now 2 chain, 1 2, single single crochet in the next stitch, 2 chain, 1 2, last puff stitch over here, 2 3 4 5 6, pull through all, close. Now I have here last one. If you see, this is last double crochet here, or 3 chain we started. So I just close this, and after this yarn over and make last double crochet on this space over here, last 3rd chain, to make straight. In this we have 3 chain over here, 1 2, skip on the 3rd top stitch, make double crochet, like that's it. So this will be straight. In the starting we start with the 3 chain, so 3 chain will count as 1 double crochet, and same last. Now we have something like this. You are getting a little bit curved, but don't worry, when you make a 3rd row you will be getting straight. And let's start 3rd row. Turn your work. To make 3rd row, same, we will do 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain, and then yarn over. We have this very first puff stitch, and insert your hook in the top, where we have this eye kind of, you can see clearly. Insert your hook in the here and make double crochet like this, and then 2 chain, 1 2, yarn over, same space, same eye over here, make double crochet again. Now we will repeating our first row, only just it's difference because we have here puff stitch we are making over there. Now yarn over and jump over here in this second puff stitch. So we don't need to do anything here, just leave it this, jump here, yarn over, next eye, make double crochet, and then 2 chain, 1 2, again same space, make double crochet. Okay, then jump into the next 3rd eye, 3rd puff stitch, yarn over, make double crochet, then 2 chain, 1 2, and then same space, make double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to show you. You are getting something like this now, and you also, your design will be straight now. Here, very nice. So keep doing this, finish this row, and I'll show you once more again the 4th row. So here, jump into the next space, double crochet, 2 chain, same space, same stitch, double crochet, then jump into the next, here 2 chain, 1 2, make double crochet again, then jump into the next, 2 chain, 1 2, again double crochet, okay, then jump into the next, 2 chain, 1 2, double crochet. Okay, we are almost finished. This is last over here. I will make double crochet. When you make double crochet here, yarn over, and here we have 3 chain, 1 2, skip on the 3rd chain. On the 3rd chain, make double crochet to make straight line. Okay, now if you see, we have something like this, and now we will repeat our exactly how we did our 2nd row. Turn your work, and then make 3 chain, 1 2 3, and here for space we don't need to do anything, just in the here. Now yarn over, make puff stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and all together like this, then close this, that's it. 2 chain, 1 2, and here insert your hook next triangle, make single crochet, that's it. Now 2 chain, 1 2, and now in this space, pull through all, make, close it, and then 2 chain, 1 2, next single crochet, then 2 chain, and last make over here puff stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, close all here. Now 2 chain, single crochet. So just like this, keep doing this, and I want to show you how this looks. You can see your design. I'll make 2-3 more rows, then I'll show you how this looks. It's very beautiful design for your summer. You can use as a border, anything like some kind little bit design, and then you can make simple plain. So this is very beautiful. And now just repeat your rows exactly how after this. Make like we make this one row, repeat, and then make this. So just keep repeating this. This is just 2 line repeat design.